Hello there, my name is Trazan Devira and my other two teammates are Nur Akila Natasha and Nur Aziani. Today we are going to introduce you to Whiteboard.chat. Whiteboard.chat is one of the digital interactive tools that we have nowadays.
It is a virtual whiteboard for collaborative learning. Collaborative learning here means it can be a student-teacher collaboration or student-student collaboration, which is also known as peer collaboration, which will be explained more later on. In a way, Whiteboard.chat is also almost similar to Google Jamboard.
This interactive tool allows multiple participants where it can connect up to 100 people at the same time. Meanwhile, Google Jamboard can connect up to only 50 people. You can export boards to PDF files after you are done with your teaching. This whiteboard also is free for anyone to use. As a teacher, you will be able to observe and to coach your students on their individual user boards as you will have the instructor's view.
You can use multiple devices to share and collaborate with other people. The devices we are talking about include your tablets, your laptops, and even your mobile phone, which can be used to access this tool because it is a web-based interactive tool. Also, it connects your students to the same master board, which is the instructor board that you will be controlling during your class.
Now, we are going to look into the features of the Whiteboard.chat. You can see the Start Drawing button and press it to begin. Now, you can see these four options: Start Teaching, Start Collaborating, Manage Boards, and Join Class by entering the class code. So now, we are going to choose Start Teaching. So here is your board. You will have this toolbar at the left side of the board. You can see options like drawing tools, write, erase, upload option, tools option where you can add media, breakdown, drop zone, and so on. You have the select option. You can move and resize objects on your board, and the lasso option. You can click and draw lines, arrow, shapes, and magic draw. You can click and type at basic text editor, text box, and so on. Here you have the undo and redo option, refresh, delete options and choose what you want to delete, zoom in and zoom out options, pen option, little hand icon to help your students, class timer to set the time. Here you have the board name. So I will name this class board as English class. This is the classroom code, and you can give this code to the students for them to join your class. Here you can see the dash pen option, toggle highlight, change font size and pen thickness setting. Down here you have the pages of your board. This is page number 1 as it says there, and when you click next it will show number 2, which means you are on the second page of your board. Here you have the grid view. This grid view is for you to see your students' individual boards. So here you will see your own board with your board's name on it. And these are your students' boards. You can click on it and it will show their board. When your student draws something on it, it will show it here. You can choose either to showcase it, to present to the class, or join their boards. Alright, back to the master boards. If you want to save the board, you can click on this icon and you will see these options. You can copy the page, download it as PDF, export, import, save a copy. You can press this download PDF button and choose what you want to save. If you want to save your board, then you just click on the My Board option. So it will save your board as PDF. If you want to save your board, you must be signed in into the Whiteboard chat. You can just sign up using emails if you don't have an account. So here, you can press the action button and you see will these options. For this new poll option, you can use it to send questions for your students, either by sending a link, a poll, or vote for them to answer the questions. You can invite your students by pressing this invite button, and you will have three options: QR code, class link, and class code. Just copy the link or code and send it to your students. At the right side here, you have additional options such as your objects, gizmos, and widgets.
In short, this Whiteboard chat can be used by teachers to do a quick activity where they can monitor multiple students and save the boards as PDF as records of the activity. Students will be engaged in any changes made on the instructor's board. They will have the ability to collaborate but not manipulate and change the class board. This is all for Whiteboard chat. We hope this sharing will be beneficial to you.